Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. This week I'm making breakfast, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got me some bacon here. You could use sausage, ham, whatever you want. I'm going with bacon. It's the king of meats after all. Alright, while my bacon's cooking, I'm gonna prep up a couple mushrooms. If you want to add onion or pepper or whatever. Oh, I was gonna buy a jalapeno, I totally forgot. Dang it. Oh well, guess I'll just have to go without. I knew I was getting something. Well, you know, it happens. Alright, I've also got a couple of potatoes here. Get these chopped up. These are just Yukon Golds. Bacon's looking, actually, bacon is, I'm going to call that done. Oh, got a little camp bowl here. I want to save all this bacon grease because I want to cook the potatoes in it. Okay, I'm going to get these spuds in. And a little salt. Not too much salt though because there's salt in the bacon. Okay, so it's actually been a few minutes. I wanted to say that I lowered the heat. I remember doing this one time before and they got really dark. So by lowering the heat, yeah, I was thinking that they would have they would cook through versus like getting too brown. So. And it seems to be working because they're a lot lighter in color. So, and I didn't parboil them. I normally would do that, but I didn't because I wouldn't do that while I was camping. I would just pour them in a pan and cook them. But fire's a lot higher heat, but you also keep it away from the direct heat as much as you can. So, yeah. You know, I sit here and I come in here and I stir, but I notice the continuous problem is, I can't flip all of them over. It's a minor little inconvenience, but I want the other side cooked. I know, first world problems, but I want the other side cooked too. I just have to carefully flip them over. Real happy with the color. The ones that are being flipped though. See that? Not too dark. Nowhere close to being done, but they're getting there. I just gave these guys a stir. Now I'm going to give them a poke test. See, they're poking clear, which shows me they're done or they're super close. So, what I'm going to do is scoot them all off to the side here, or around the edge. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and then my mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and season my mushrooms because I haven't seasoned my potatoes yet. So I got some sloppy mama. I've got some usual suspects, paprika, garlic powder, a little salt, a little additional salt I should say. Alright, mushrooms are looking good. I'm going to put the bacon back in. Give this whole thing a nice stir. I've got 2 eggs here. And what I'll do is I'll put a well in the center here. And then do a nice big knob of butter, which is going to flavor the potatoes, but also be for the eggs. I might put a little bit too much butter in, but that's alright. Generous black pepper. Maybe a little too generous, but I like black pepper a lot. I might just run this real time so you can watch it come together. Oh, you know what? I hadn't put the... I thought the eggs were going to stick more to the bottom, but they didn't. That pleases me greatly. I'll make cleanup a snap. Go ahead and kill the heat on that. And then one final ingredient. That is going to be some cheddar cheese right on top. And I'll let the residual heat melt that up, which shouldn't take more than just a couple minutes. Maybe not even that. We'll be back. Alright, I think it's time to dish it up. I just rinsed the bowl out, wiped it out with a paper towel. Piece of cake. Ooh, that's getting warm. Oh man, it sure smells good. Bacon, egg, seasoned potatoes. I'm gonna move it off the burner though, because I don't need it melting or cooking any further. Alrighty then. Ooh. Yeah, the bowl got pretty warm, so let's gonna use a towel and not burn my hands. Oh man. The potatoes cooked nicely. I use Yukon Gold because they hold their shape really well. The mushroom, the bacon, the cheese, the egg. Just a simple camp meal. Just a few ingredients. Like I said, if you want to add more to it, onion, pepper, I would have added the jalapeno if I'd remembered, but yeah, make it however you want. Phenomenal. I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner. I want to thank you for watching. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be below, also in the end card, and also last week's video. Thanks again, JermsMRE, for editing. Appreciate you, brother. Catch you all next week.